This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever located underneath the steering wheel. Slide the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards, then support it with a prop rod. Loosen the cable clamp nut, then disconnect the negative battery cable from the terminal. Secure the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Upstream oxygen sensor. To replace the upstream sensor, pry and lift the connector retaining lever up and disconnect the upstream sensor electrical connector. Also release the connector from the bracket. Release the sensor wiring harness from the heat shield retaining clip, then unscrew the upstream sensor with an oxygen sensor socket. Remove the upstream sensor. If you're going to install the old sensor, apply anti-seize compound to the threads of the sensor to facilitate future removal. If you're going to install a new oxygen sensor, it is not necessary to apply anti-seize compound to the threads because they should already have anti-seize compound pre-applied to them. Install the sensor and tighten it securely. Attach the wiring harness to the heat shield retaining clip. Connect the electrical connector by first sliding the O2 sensor side connector into the bracket. Then join the connector halves and secure the retaining lever. Downstream oxygen sensor. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Jack up the front of the car and support it on jack stands. To replace the downstream sensor, slightly loosen the sensor using an oxygen sensor socket. Release the sensor connector from the bracket. Disconnect the electrical connector. Unscrew and remove the downstream oxygen sensor from the exhaust pipe. Transfer the bracket retaining clip to the new sensor connector if necessary. If you're going to install the old sensor, apply anti-seize compound to the threads of the sensor to facilitate future removal. If installing a new sensor, it is not necessary to apply anti-seize compound because it should already have anti-seize pre-applied. Install the sensor and tighten it securely. Connect the downstream sensor electrical connector, then attach the connector to the bracket. Also attach the sensor wiring harness into the wire retaining clip. Lower the car to the ground. Connect the negative battery cable to the terminal and tighten the cable clamp nut securely.